What up, guys? It's your boy Pinecone. This is the video you've been waiting for. The parts are gonna go on this car during this video. Maybe not today. Sorry, I just stepped in a little sticker thing in the grass. You know, Southern Louisiana thing. But the parts are going in the are gonna go in the car. I was just underneath the car to see if the rear diffuser was easy to do. But as you can tell, the car's dirty. So it's been hot the last few days since the last video. That's why I haven't done it yet, because of, like I said, heat stroke and all that shit. And you saw how it was in that video. Direct sunlight, losing my breath of air just because I was outside. Wasn't doing shit, but it's supposed to rain, so it's going to cool down everything. So I'm waiting for the rain to hit. As you can tell, it's, you know, it's a little cloudy. Not quite dark clouds yet, but, you know, it's getting there. Mostly that way. Hopefully we get it, cools it down. It's about 2:15 right now. But I'm gonna clean up the beast. As you can tell, it's dirty. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how easy it is to do the rear diffuser, and then I'm gonna show you the front bumper on what I think is gonna go with the front bumper. I'm not quite sure if that's exactly how I was gonna do, but I'm gonna show you right now. So let's check that out real quick. All right, let's focus this. Boop. Okay. As you can tell, car is dirty, so it's gonna need to be washed. I am not one of those type of people that just gets new parts and just throws them on there when the car is dirty. Like I said, I want to ceramic coat the parts, which I'm gonna do after it rains, because they gotta hopefully, if I got enough daylight left, I might even do it tomorrow. So this video is gonna be hopefully over the next couple days. But before I go to work Wednesday morning, or before I go to bed Tuesday night, I want to have the front splitter on, and I'm definitely gonna have the rear diffuser on. But let's check out the front splitter on what I think it is gonna be. Well, let's go complete wide angle here. All right. Okay. See if you can see with the video. Okay. If you see like these little bolts here, like this, looks like they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think 9 bolts down there. Looks like they got 9 bolts in order to do this front splitter. So I'm not quite sure on how that's going to work, but as you can tell, it's been scraped a lot, so I'm going to have to, I might need a special tool in order to do that. As you know, the wicker wing here, the wicker bill, I'm paying someone to do this. I am definitely not doing it myself. I am not drilling holes into my stock spoiler, which is required. And I don't have the tool to put the rivets in for the bolts. So I'm going to pay someone to do that. But as far as the front bumper and the rear, front splitter and the rear diffuser, that's something different. But I'm gonna keep the camera like this, and I'm gonna show you what you need to do with the front, with the rear diffuser. This is real easy. Come along here. If you look, you got 1 bolt there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 right there. And this bumper should come off. All right. So the rear diffuser, I think, is gonna most likely be the easiest of all 3. So next time you see this part of the video, it's going to be a clean car, and then I'm going to go over some stuff with the clean car. So enjoy for the next part, which will probably be later today for me, or maybe even tomorrow or something. But for y'all, it's going to be in the next couple seconds. The ceramic coating process is being applied right now with Adam's Graphene ceramic coat spraying. I just put it on there. I'm going to let it sit a minute, and then I'm going to wipe it off, and I'm going to let it cure in this beautiful heat. We actually missed the rain, so I'm doing it now. And then I got the front splitter I got to do in there. So I'm not gonna do the wicker wing because that's actually got a protective stuff on it, and I'm gonna that'll probably be the only thing I do after I put it on the car. But man, just look at that carbon fiber. Well, I'm sorry, the hydro dip. This ain't real carbon fiber now, but oh man, it's gonna look good when I polish it up. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. I done took the polishing rag and polished it out. Now I'm gonna let it sit. Man, just look how that thing just looks. It looks like real carbon fiber, even though it's not. It just looks so good. All right, guys, I already did the front splitter as well. As you can see, 1 part. I got the other part right underneath the diffuser there, and then the 2 side pieces of the diffuser. Just got done coating it. I'm letting it dry for another minute or 2, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna let it sit in the sunlight as well. So next up, probably in the next 2 hours, I'm gonna wash this thing, and I'm hoping to get at least the rear bumper on tomorrow, and hopefully the front splitter. And if I do all that, then that'll be the end of the video until I get to until I can find somebody to do the diffuse the wicker bill. So I'll see how it turns out. next up is the wash. Well, she's all washed up. Had some rain coming and it cooled off a little bit quicker than sunset came, so technically the sunset don't come for like another hour, but we got cloudy overhead, so I went ahead and washed it just in case it started raining. It was starting to drizzle a little bit. As you can tell, I got a couple of drizzle spots on there, but nothing that's going to be too bad. I got all the regular water off, but can't wait to see what this thing is when it's finally got that front splitter on and that rear diffuser on. Yeah, I took off. I was messing with underneath the bumper. I don't know if you can see way over there. And underneath there, I had some rocks and stuff jammed up under here. And when I was pulling it, well, you see the little bump right there. Yeah, kind of. That's where the rocks were. So, but she looks good when she's clean, man. I mean, y'all gotta admit that, right? But all right, next part of this video is gonna be with the hopefully front splitter and rear diffuser on. So that's gonna be a couple seconds for y'all, and that's gonna probably be tomorrow morning for me. So stay tuned. All right, I was gonna try and surprise y'all tomorrow morning. I already have the bumper on, but like I said, the rain moved away, so I got the rear bumper off, and I just had an idea. I'm not gonna do it, but this would be crazy. What about a rear diffuser bumper thing delete on this car? Tell me this don't look bad. Dude, tell me that wouldn't look sick riding around like that. Probably hurt the gas mileage and all aerodynamic stuff. You can see it's dirty, but that's the old bumper. You can see it's all clamped and stuff. Looks like it might actually have a couple extra clamps, like this one here, where it don't have it on this one. But I watched a video on YouTube that has the same bumper on his 392 Scat Pack, and the ones that they do have seem to match up. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it. But whew, look how dirty it is. Look at the rocks that came out. But y'all can't tell me that don't look sick. All right, next part of the video will be with the diffuser on tomorrow morning, so that way you can see it in good sunlight. All right, guys, it's the next day. I got the rear bumper on. Everything worked out fine. As you can tell, it's hot. I'm wearing the same shirt as I was the other day when I started the video, because I wanted to, if I was gonna sweat and everything, I wanted to be able to go shower and just not ruin new clothes for the day. But anyway, I didn't get to the front lip, and I'm gonna tell you why. It requires drilling into the plastic bumper, so I don't have any drills and stuff. All I have is like a screwdriver, so I can't do that. So the only thing I was able to do for this video for y'all was put on the rear diffuser. So bumper's still stock. Sorry guys, but now that I got the rear on and it's bright daylight, y'all gotta check out the rear. It looks amazing, totally all right guys, stock, yeah, boring shit. I'm gonna pay someone to do that, just like I'm gonna pay someone to do the wicker build in the back. But man, tell me this rear end don't look amazing. Look at that carbon fiber. That carbon fiber dip just glistening in the sun, man. I took a picture of it at the gas station last night after I installed it with the lights, bright LED lights on. So I'm gonna insert those now, and then in the video there. So until next time, peace.